Certon. Data collection made easy. Let's assume you want to produce something with your company. The products are manufactured precisely according to customer requirements. Production is going very well, and the order situation is excellent, leading to continuous company growth. This is your production and your production manager. Customers order products with different contents. So, the composition constantly changes. Therefore, ensuring the quality and production process tracking is crucial. However, all machines log differently, and some don't even log at all. It quickly becomes confusing. Now, if continuous data logging is required by the customer or the authorities, poses difficulties. It becomes challenging to extract the required information from the multitude of different logs and formats. That's exactly why we developed Certon for logging and data collection. Certon collects data via OPC UA, the Industry 4.0 standard interface. This universal software interface enables secure connections to a variety of PLC and SCADA systems. With Certon, it's all about configuration, not programming. Certon offers comprehensive and clear data management. You select the recording unit and can examine entries in detail. Filtering and sorting functions make finding entries quick and easy. Individual data is signed by Certon during recording. The audit trail provides a chronological process description. Subsequent data manipulations are reliably detected. This ensures the data's integrity and legal security at all times. Now, data can be visualized flexibly and in various ways. The powerful protocol generator allows additional data analysis and visualization configurations to be easily set up. Certon can export data in your desired format, such as XML, PDF, or CSV, as needed. Of course, you can also print, send online, or store them locally. With Certon, your production works according to GMP and FDA guidelines. For the customer or the authorities, the data is trustworthy, clear, and traceable. Full control, overview, and a short time to market. Take your production to the next level. Request your free demo now. Certon. Data collection made easy.